This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Jollibee-style gravy. First, melt about 3 tablespoons of butter or margarine in a saucepan over medium heat. Once melted, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Whisk this mixture constantly for about 1 minute to create a smooth roux, cooking out the raw flour taste. This golden brown base is crucial for the gravy's thickness and rich flavor. Next, let's build the savory foundation. Dissolve 1 chicken broth cube in 2.5 to 3 cups of hot water, or simply use prepared chicken broth. Slowly pour this warm chicken broth into your roux, whisking continuously. This step is key to preventing lumps and achieving that perfectly smooth consistency. Keep whisking until the mixture starts to combine and thicken slightly. Now for the signature Jollibee flavor. Stir in 3 to 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of crushed black pepper. For that irresistible creaminess, gradually add about 1/2 cup of all-purpose cream or a similar dairy alternative. You can also add 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce and a pinch of sugar to balance the flavors beautifully. Continue to simmer the gravy over low heat, whisking occasionally, for about 2 to 3 minutes until it thickens to your preferred consistency. It should be smooth and coat the back of a spoon. Taste and adjust the saltiness or pepper as needed. Once perfect, turn off the heat. Your homemade Jollibee-style gravy is now ready to be enjoyed with fried chicken, mashed potatoes, or rice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.